Good morning, everyone. Hope you are all doing great. Time now is 7:30. Today is 12th of July, which is a Wednesday, right? So markets are going to be volatile today. Today evening, we are having a very important event in US, which is going to be US inflation year on year, US core inflation year on year, inflation month on month, and core inflation month on month, right? So markets are likely to be volatile, and you will expect choppiness, or you will expect volatility in the market. We will see what is going to be the Nifty levels and Banknifty levels. But what I believe is, unless this data is going to come out, we are going to see volatility. So today markets are going to be volatile, and it is likely to open flat or gap up, right? So yesterday I didn't post any video. I had some personal work, so I didn't post any video. So be careful in case you are having any expiry date trade for tomorrow. Just be cautious. And US and global markets are, we are seeing mixed global markets. China is trading high, maybe 0.5%. Japan, Singapore is also trading high. In fact, Japan is down by more than 1.5%, but China and Korea is trading in the green, and GIFT Nifty is showing a slightly flat opening of around 8 points. So maybe we will open flat, or we will open gap up. I don't think markets are going to gap down, right? So that is what we are expecting. And in terms of Nifty chart, now you can see that Bank Nifty for all 3 days, last 2 or 3 trading session, it has been trying to break below 44,700. And you have to remember, this 44,700 was a gap on 30th of June. 44,700 was the close. Next trading session, which was 3rd of July, Bank Nifty gapped up around 44,900, or let's say 45,000. So this 250 points gap up is being sustained as of now, but we really don't know how it is going to span out in the future. It all depends on how US market is going to open, right? Now let us say we are getting positive news in terms of US market. We may see higher levels, or we may go on the higher levels. This 44,700 to 44,800 levels in Bank Nifty will sustain, and that is what we are seeing in this chart price action. So 3 days of rejection in this area means that 44,700 is a good support. In case if the market closes above 45,000, you should be looking to go long in this market, and that is what we believe. We also have some positions where we are slightly delta positive positions, and we believe that market will go on the higher side is what is our expectation. So fingers crossed. We cannot say anything can happen, but I'm just trying to tell uh, I'm just trying to tell you to be cautious. That's it, nothing much. And in terms of Nifty is super kind of bullish. The momentum which we are seeing in Nifty, we are not able to find in Bank Nifty, right? That is because of only one stock, that is Reliance, right? Reliance, there is some merger or demerger plan going on, and there is huge buying opportunity. I think they are demerging Geo Financial Services, something like that. So it is only because of Reliance that Nifty is holding. If it was not Reliance, maybe it would have gone below how much level, maybe 19,000 levels or 19,000. Even in spite of Reliance, actually only Reliance is supporting. If it was not Reliance, right, we would have gone down below 19,200 levels. Now if you are following us, we have been saying 19,200 is a very strong support, and Nifty has rejected this level around 19,200 to 19,300 levels at least twice or thrice, right? So you can see from the open interest also that people are writing huge number of actually significant number of puts are being written at 19,400, right? So people believe 19,400, 19,300, but highest open interest is at 19,500. And I have been saying this, wherever there is high open interest, whichever strike is having the highest open interest, that strike is likely to be taken out. And we will see if today this 19,500 strike is going to be taken out or not. But this doesn't happen quite often, but most of the time it happens. And in terms of Bank Nifty, we are seeing huge open interest at around 45,000 only. Bank Nifty is at around 44,745, and we are seeing huge open interest at 45,000. And we don't see any significant open interest on the put side. Maybe slightly, we are having slight open interest, not even significant, very low open interest at 44,500. And if bears are taking over today, we might see 44,500 taking will be taken out by the bears, because the reason is you are not seeing any momentum as such in Bank Nifty. Nifty is having some bullish momentum, but Bank Nifty is not having bullish momentum. We are lacking bullish momentum in Bank Nifty, right? That's what I told. It is only because of Reliance we are holding on to this position, right? So we'll see how things pan out. As of now, I would say be cautious and try to hold on to your position, and don't try to take overnight position. It might backfire, and you might see some issues, or you might feel kind of embarrassment, because there is very important US data, right? You just keep this in mind and just trade. Maybe one day or 2 days we can observe the losses, right? It doesn't matter if we are just for one day we can lose anything. We doesn't matter whether we are making profit or not. Let's assume if market gaps down tomorrow because of bad US inflation data, then you imagine what might happen to our trades, and it will be very hard to manage the trades, because tomorrow is expiry. India VIX is already down, and you will not find premiums, and it is going to be very hard to manage. That's why I told, just be cautious, don't try to take overnight positions, and I hope you will be in profit. That is it, nothing much to say. Let's see how things pan out. For today, I believe whatever range, yesterday's range, will be maintained. Tomorrow is the main concern. Whether we are going to gap up or whether we are going to gap down is what we have to see tomorrow. So let's wait till tomorrow and see how things pan out, right? And in terms of FIA data, FIAs are I'm sure net buyers. Sorry, FIA, I've not seen FIA data. FIAs must be net buyers. Let us see the FIA data also. Yeah, NSE FIA. Okay, NSE FIA data is saying, actually in our group, FIAs are net buyers. They have bought for 1,197 crores, and DIs have sold for just 7.25 crores. And people were talking in our Telegram group, that I'll show you the Telegram group also. If you want, you can join the Telegram group. People were saying that huge longs are being built by FIAs. So it might be a trap. Whatever we are seeing might be a trap. So just be careful, right? It is not refreshing. Anyway, there is a long build-up by institutions. So people were saying that FIAs are long. Yeah, here it is. Yeah. So we have members. Yeah, this is DAs are bullish in the market. FIAs are bullish in the market. Pro traders or proprietary desk is bullish in the market. Only people who are short in the market is retailers. So just be careful and trade wisely is what I have to say, right? I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in yet another video.